Hello friends, welcome to Murli Raj. Today we see about a Mastercam software used to make one profile profile to a one VMC machine. First we select a one object. First we taken a one travel it one objects. Its profile top surface plate type. First we select a contour. Contour it's give a any name. I give a name T picked it. First we select our machining borders. Select it. Machining outline is well selected. Then we take a name operation by contour. It's contour we pick it. Then tool. I taken on 10 mm dia end mill. 10 mm end mill give in a flute length 15 mm. Then shoulder length 20 mm. Then overall length I given on 15 mm. Its standard value I give pick OK. Then OK. Next going to the cutting parameter as usual the same concept. Depth of material I given finishing pass is 1 mm. I taken any plastic and aluminum material, maybe it's plastic and aluminum material I mostly selected. Well, its depth of cut is depending upon on material condition, maybe casting and the tools it's based on we given on depth of cut. Now we contour outer profile process we done well. Then we tool simulation is completed. Now we check it on one process. Yes, solid block for the example given simulation is very well it completed, just it's one kind of roughing only. Then another one is we take a on make a one profile. Yes, we select a top profile required profiles. Yes, this is one we require profile. As usual we select a machine. Already we default VMC. Then roughing packet will selected. Then click it, give any name, same name I give it. Select a surface tray, we require a same one. I select all. The containment zone is a border lines. The border lines already I draw it. The rectangle, the click it. Then safety, then enter point will click it. Then OK. As usual we create the new end mill. New dia 10 dia end mill. Flute length 20 mm. Shoulder length I given on 30 mm. Overall length again 15 mm. Then the automatically calculates feed and feed. It's nothing once. It's OK. I should given an OK. Then surface parameter all are given an absolute method. Pick the absolute method, click and OK it. Then roughing parameter will we going to depth of cut 2 mm. It's aluminum material, no problem. We select absolute method. The auto detecting is maximum number is display we OK. Then auto calculate the minus 10 mm. Then profile types of kinds of profile types we select any one. Yes, we select any one that kind of profile we make it. We go to a simulations. Simulation is one solid block. It's we run it. The tool is running on. The left side is going in percentage levels and the speed level controlling. Yes, running on. Okay, the required shape is we prove it. The I show on some exciting materials are in outside. There is any animal used to normal program used to remove it. Then another is a 2D method. We select 3D solid material. We select we take any one tool path of simulation. Yes, we get a now program. The already names given T replace. Yes, okay. The program is calculated. Yes, now display the program, VMC program. Yes, this is a program we copy to pen drive. Let's send, then send to VMC machine, and the setting will completed. The run Netria program is given an output is very good. Well, it's a tool, but it's simulation. And the tools are moving, it's check it for any rubbing, any tool damaging, it check it for purpose we use it. Over excess material, any condition or any removing, so let we check it one or two times. The yes, very well to run. Yes, very good, given a good result. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe it.